I'm telling you, it's literally done everything I needed it to do. I don't know how or why. Anyways, this is my stain, and it's still everywhere. So, put that up. Like I'm gonna have to cut a lot of these. Careful. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to cut a lot of these. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my God. Not gonna have to cut any of them. Yes. By the grace of God, it fits so damn perfectly right there. That's weird. No, that's definitely off. Wow. I just went ahead and made that floor off by a little bit. It's alright. Luckily I have enough for all of this. Oh, and by the way, this little guy cut all of these floors. I don't know how many square foot this is, but 3 boxes of 20. Almost 3 boxes. Just for aesthetic purposes. Red. That'll do it. Do it. Getting the walls cut right now. Okay, so here I am at Home Depot. I honestly had no idea what RV walls were made of, so I just got with whatever looked as closest to walls that were very, very affordable. I think this ran about $30 a panel, and I loved them at the time. I think they're great. So this is all a learning process for me and probably for, some people watching this. So learned from my mistakes here. But what I failed to do was get the right screws after I glued it down. Therefore, the glue does not matter, and I wasted my money here, but looks great when we're done. We're almost out of tube one. Oh my god, that scared the shit
Also,
out of
where
me.
is that vest? Very upset that I've lost this vest. It was so cute. And I'm just gonna speed over this real quick because basically we're not gonna watch Lindsay fail miserably at trying to, I don't even know what I'm doing here, but I put together the wall with some caulking and we're just gonna fast forward through this one.
Well, that wasn't right. Fuck. God damn it. Ah! I had a feeling it wasn't. Fuck. Oh, that's not it either. That's cute. That's fucking cute. Cool, 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 cool. Ah! What's happening? It's not fucking reaching. Aha. That's why. Hate it.
I learned a lot about RVs since I've had this one, and I'll tell you what, you're not ready. Like, if it's your first one, just be prepared. Because my battery's gonna die if I don't keep starting it. But I love her. I love her so much. We have an oil leak. I think it's because I need a new bolt on the oil pan. But other than that, she's good. We're gonna get her serviced soon. I need a name for her. I need a name.
You like this, he can't take care of you like this. Now you're lost.
Oh yeah, it's literally perfect. That's great. Oh my god. It's sideways, yay!
Now, I know everything is not perfect, and anyone that knows anything can see that there's a little bit of flaws and hiccups. Obviously, this is still in remodel mode. I did eventually get everything nice and touched up and filled, and I did live in this for 3 months, and I loved every minute of it. So this is kind of where everything went for the worst. It was raining, and I had discovered that there was a massive leak just pouring through. So all this had to get gutted out. You're gonna see that kitchen steak knife come in handy real nice right about now, because it is all that I had in this immediate emergency. But guys, it did the damn job. Enjoy this catastrophe. Okay, I had to stop recording for a little bit because, you guys, it got crazy. So this is what we're working with. I will show you where the hole was. Yeah, the hole was right here. It went all the way through. And what it ended up doing is leaking all the way down to here, all the way through there. So I just took it all out. And so far I'm putting in this insulation and then this one after. And then we're coming over here and putting up the beams so I can hang the cedar planks. So I kind of got the hang of what I'm doing, so I'm going to kind of show y'all what it is. Okay, I have these cedar planks. And basically what I do is I come up, I measure where I need. I've literally done everything without the right tools, so I just use my nail to measure it. And then I'll go cut it. So like, that can't be right. Almost had it wrong. Best angle to cut this in. Okay, so I wanted to get this on camera because it's like my first time ever accomplishing something like this. First of all, peep the ceiling though. It smells so good. But I'm about to put this little light in, and I just feel so accomplished. I'm gonna hook this to that. Oh wait, oh shit, that's not it. This is it. Well, now wait a minute. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. Up in here. Up in here. And then I'll put a little bit of insulation and another board. We're almost done.